Bundle 3 items: Vantrue N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash cam plus Vantrue N2 Pro GPS suction cup mount plus Type-C USB port hardwire kit. N2 Pro 2.5K Uber Dual dash cam infrared night vision dual channel 1080p bundle. 3 items: Vantrue N2 Pro Dual 1080p dash cam plus Vantrue N2 Pro GPS suction cup mount plus Type-C USB port hardwire kit dual 1080p dash cam. Vantrue N2 Pro is the best two-way dash cam to record car interior. Picked by Wirecutter, it offers 2 cameras in one body to capture the road front 170 degrees and inside passenger cabin 140 degrees simultaneously, in details at dual 1920x 1080p 30 frames per second infrared night vision. The interior-facing camera utilizes 4 IR LED lights and f2.0 aperture, which can handle low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. f1.86 glass lens front-facing cam and unique HDR video system automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video. 24 hours parking mode and auto LCD off and GPS with the dash cam hardwired. 24 hours motion-activated parking mode makes the dual car camera to automatically record when it detects motion, auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD off timer ensure you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. The bundle also includes the external GPS mount, which allows you to track the driving route, location and speed via the Vantrue GPS player on PC. Total peace of mind. W18M warranty. Full 18M warranty. Email replies within 24h and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Payless Auto Insurance, your witness for accidents and insurance claims. Perfect dual lens dash cam for Uber, taxis, rideshare, Lyft drivers, commuters and families. Works with 12V and 24V vehicles.